Butrón Castle, a fairy tale in the Basque Country. Perched atop a hill in Gatica, Biscay, Spain. Butrón Castle, Butroeko Gaztelua, is a mesmerizing blend of medieval history and 19th century fantasy. Originally constructed during the Middle Ages, the castle underwent a dramatic transformation in 1878, when Francisco de Cubas embarked on an ambitious rebuilding project. Inspired by Bavarian castles, the resulting structure is a fairy-tale-like vision, complete with turrets and towers. While visually stunning, the castle was never intended as a practical residence. Its impractical layout, with exposed exterior connections ill-suited to the Basque climate, reflects its creation as a purely aesthetic endeavor. Surrounded by a lush park boasting exotic plants and palm trees, the castle once captured the imagination of Kate Middleton, who expressed her dream of marrying there. Despite its allure, the castle fell into disuse. Subsequent attempts to open it to the public were unsuccessful, and the building was eventually closed, though the grounds remained accessible. In 2005, Hapizo purchased the property, but its historical significance remains protected under Spanish law. Today, Butrón Castle stands as a captivating testament to architectural ambition and a beloved symbol of the Basque Country. I hope you enjoyed this journey to Butrón Castle in Gatica, Spain. Let us know in the comments below if you've ever visited the Butrón Castle and what your experience was like. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more adventures.